Let me start this video off by saying, ladies, please don't watch. You're going to see things and you're going to hear things that are just going to upset you. So skip to another video now, because you don't want to hear what I have to show and say during this video. Hey tubers, how's it going? I wouldn't be standing in front of the truck if I didn't have car repairs. Son of a bitch. I was driving it the other day and the check engine light came on flashing. Well, we know what that means. That's trouble. So the code was P0305 and misfire cylinder 5 right in here. I don't know how well it's showing. I'm at a bad angle to look at the viewer. Anyways, this is where the misfire was. What I did was, before you came here, is I pulled the spark plug and coil out of cylinder 5. Spark plug looked old but okay. Swapped 5 and 7. Cleared the code, and when I started her back up, what happened? The code now showed up on cylinder 7. So the plan is, I've got a new coil coming from Rock Auto and a set of 8 spark plugs. Today I'm just going to pull everything apart, and when the delivery gets here this week, I'll be able to pop it all back together. At least that's my game plan. And I've numbered each one of my coil packs so I know where they came from. And let's get going here. I mean, this is really pretty self-explanatory. But again, because it's so friggin' cold, if you look over here, you can still see snow on the ground everywhere. You know, it's got above freezing today, but there's not really much melting, it seems, going on. So that's a big concern. All right, if you're working on a Tundra, Sequoia, whatever, this is a 2003, you got a lot of room to work here. I mean, let's just be honest. So I'm using a 10mm socket and 2 little extensions, because this way I can stack them to get around these little bit of pipes and things that bother me. On a cold day, here's my secret for pulling the clips. Go in the house, get your wife's hair dryer, and see if you can't warm them bad boys up. Oh yeah, I can push on it with my finger and feel it flex now. That's the tip of the day, boys. Let's see if I can do this one by hand. No, see, I don't have any hand strength anymore. This hand is shot. My shoulder's shot. There's not much left of me that actually works. So we push the tab and we pull at the same time. There we go. And no broken tab. That's what we want. No broken tabs. So did you see how easy that was? Let's try another one. I mean, it doesn't take much heat. It's not like ice cold frozen. But this just guarantees that your plastic is warm enough that it might actually want to do what you want. Right? One of the free reasons I get to stay home is because I'll do this car repair. That way we're not spending a ton of money at the dealership. Because the truth is, the dealership would tell me to replace all of the ignition coil packs just because they're getting old, and this will happen again. I actually looked at my videos, and this is the bad one, number 5. This is the second time this problem has happened to me. Huh. I must have knocked this off in the process of doing this. That's where my small evap leak has been coming from. Okay. I bet you that's where I've been getting that small evap leak from. I just don't have any friggin' hand strength. That's my problem. The Kung Fu grip is totally friggin' slap wore out. I don't know when. I changed these spark plugs once a long time ago. And I believe I actually put a little anti-seize on this bad boy, on all of them, to make it right. When we get to the other side, you'll see one of the coils for number 8 has a Denso sticker on it. Okay, this was the bad cylinder. And it looks about the same too. I don't see a lot of oil fouling, anything like that that makes me real crazy. I think the car dealer wants, they call this a friggin' tune-up, changing the damn spark plugs. Alright, I think I got it. One, and no broken tab. There you go. I just came up with this hairdryer trick myself. See, I know how brittle this friggin' plastic is on a 20-year-old truck. It snaps like, you know, look at it cross-eyed and you've lost a bracket. Oh man, these are just coming off like butter. It's really worth using the dryer. So we pop off the little 10 millimeters that are holding the ignition coils on. Okay. Now, let's pull these coils, see what they look like. This is the one I replaced most recently. This is original factory. A little bit of oil there at the top. Looks okay. And so does that one. I watched some video where the guy replaced all of them because one went bad. I just don't want to do it. I mean, if I was really worried about this being like a problem, buy an extra one for 50 bucks and keep it in the glove box. That. And the new Toyotas have plastic valve covers. Tell me that's not crap. That is going to be giving you problems in 10 or 20 years. Because you know how plastic likes to hold its shape for a long time. Hell, this plastic radiator is a piece of crap. The last little wiggle. There we go. It's free. This plug looks about the same as the ones on the other side. Maybe more even burning or not burning. I should probably check the gap on these. I'll do that sometime in the future. And if I was a real mechanic, I'd be, oh, this one's number 7, this one's, I don't give a shit. Oh, this one's a little cleaner. But truthfully, they're all burning about the same, I would say. Number 6. 4. Let's get this last plug out. Like I said before, I got no real hand strength anymore. That's something that's just, from that building the house, I destroyed both my hands. Not bad, a little cleaner than the other ones, but overall I'd say all of them are acceptable. And you know, if that coil plug over there was getting ready to be bad these last few months, and I pulled that cat code, that's probably why. Okay, that's it. They're all out. Spark plugs are out. Give me some new stuff. I can have this thing on the road in an hour. Wow, that's funny. I can have this truck ready in an hour. Pop in the spark plugs, screw those down and connect them. Good deal. Hey, I'll tell you what, let me know in the comments, anybody who's been watching my videos regular, is this truck having to need more repairs than other Toyotas? I don't know. Seems like every couple of months now I'm doing something. Something to the engine, something to the keep it running, keep it going.